Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a taskbar toolbar to show your internet speed like this. So let's do this, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can see a net speed monitoring toolbar in my Windows 10 taskbar. It will show your internet speed after installing an application called Net Speed Monitor. I'll show you how to get that. And here is the program, and after installing this program, right click on your Windows taskbar. Don't worry, it will work on other version of Windows too. So after right click on taskbar, select toolbars, and from its expanded menu select Net Speed Monitor tool. After that you will see this monitoring toolbar on your taskbar. Now after enabling this toolbar, right click on this toolbar and select configuration to further customize your toolbar and to select your active internet connection that you want to monitor. From here you can also customize this toolbar, text, value, colors, etc. So that's it. And to download this app, open your browser and go to the link netspeedmonitor.net. I'll put the link in the description too. So that's that, and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.